Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with essentials. Know the NIC Asia branch city and any branch code you already have, because SWIFT codes can be branch-specific. Once ready, open the bank's official site and the Contact or International Transfers section, and make sure to note any listed SWIFT/BIC entries. If the site is unclear, prepare to call the branch. Phone validation is faster than guessing. This prevents wrong transfer routing and saves time, since SWIFT mistakes cause delays and fees. Once done with the website, cross-check the SWIFT code against at least one official document like a statement or welcome letter. Many banks print BICs there. Next, call your branch or the NIC Asia International Desk and ask them to confirm the exact SWIFT/BIC for international incoming transfers. Make sure to note the agent's name and the date you called, because banks sometimes use multiple BICs. So comparing sources prevents using an outdated code, and you finish by entering the confirmed SWIFT/BIC and the beneficiary's exact account details into your sending bank. Small mismatches cause rejections. If you're ever unsure, ask NIC Asia for an official SWIFT confirmation letter before sending funds. This eliminates ambiguity. Once the transfer is initiated, save screenshots, confirmation numbers, and the SWIFT confirmation. If something goes wrong, this documentation lets you and the banks trace the payment quickly and resolve routing errors without prolonged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.